The 1993 B&M Looper at Busch Gardens, Tampa, named Kumba, is one of the more photographed and videoed coasters out there because of the access they give you to all the elements. But I have a different view for you. Well, hey everybody, this is GreenBean with Full-Time Coaster Tour, the only full-time family coaster tour on the entirety of YouTube. And that's right, Kumba at Busch Gardens, Tampa. Everybody's seen these shots, the corkscrews, the cobra roll, everybody's seen it. But when I went there, I wanted to try to get a POV video for you guys. And we only had time for one more ride, so I ended up just taking the available row. It's not every time you walk up to a coaster that a row is just clean and you're guaranteed to get on the next train. So I took it, and I didn't even think about the point of view at that moment. And when I got on there, I started thinking, oh man, I'm wearing a chest harness for the GoPro, and look at all these seats in front of me. This point of view is going to be terrible. So I kind of felt a little bit glum, and then I started to think, to myself, what if I just hung this GoPro off the side? And I was just curious. I wanted to see it for myself. I could always get another POV another time or what have you. I already got Montu. And what happened was so cool that I just had to make a video to share it with you. Like I said, originally it was just for me. But here it is. Enjoy watching the world spin around. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow our national coaster tour.